contributions. When children understand that they are not an individual only, they are the part of the society. Yes, it's true. 60 years before or 40 years before, it was not so much needed, because we were living in a setup where not only the parents, not only the relationships, but the neighborhood was very, very important. We used to call our neighbor also Tauji, Taiji, like this. But now that value system, now the family system has gone. So it is the duty of educational institutes, it is the duty of the society that they should revive those values through their skills. And that is why from 10th onward, because you have seen that 10th onward SUPW subject is there. Our planners have planned like this. They understand that after 10th, a child must do something social contributions to the society. Otherwise, he himself is alone and he will not be able to contribute any positive thing to the society. SUPW subject is there. Then we have social work as a subject through Delhi School of Social Work, through Jamia Millia Islamia came, and now we have masters as well as BSWs schools also there in Delhi. Then we have through Open also, through Open University also, now we have BSW is there. And new term which I was telling you before, corporate social work, CSR. Now it has become the talk of the town. Actually, earlier, only 1000 years back, we have no so much united, strong government, but small kingdom were there. But in every kingdom there were temples, and it's a historical fact that 10 lakh temples were there, and through those temples long back social services were given to the orphans, destitutes, insane, senior citizens and everybody. But now the whole structure has become dismantled. Now the time has come when through CSR, through corporate social responsibilities, we should understand that it is not a question of doing social work, my dear friends. I tell you, if you don't do justice to those underprivileged who are living nearby, those who are living very nearby, the day will come. It's logical. It is logical. The day come, they will enter your home. Social work is there, but logical thing I want to make you. You people are coming here for because you are qualified enough, you are earning something, you are happy at home, you are doing your work. But you cannot detach yourself what is happening outside. And when after such a development, after making such a big hue and cry and make so many promises that we have done this, per capita income is this in Delhi, there is a huge population living in slums or living in urbanized villages, those who have no values. What will happen? The day will come, if you don't do something for them also, then they will come. They will come to your houses. वो नहीं मिलेगा तो छीन लेंगे. तो मैं यहाँ पे एक आपको एक बहुत तर्क में समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि इट इज़ द नीड ऑफ द टाइम कि CSR, corporate social responsibility should be the part of the every educational institute, because ultimately you are creating social engineers also. And if they understand their role, they should know that how to keep their servants, how to deal with their drivers, because you just go around, you will found all such stories where this ghastly crime have taken place through the driver, through the servants. What happens? The most privileged ones do not understand that how to deal with the human beings. It is not necessary that everybody should come forward and start doing social work by making an NGO. Ultimately, the basic small family units or big units like you people, they should come forward for CSR, corporate social work. In my NGO, we are doing two types of programs. One we call community-based programs, and second we call specialized programs. Community-based programs are those programs in which we go to the community, we work there every day from 9 to 5, and we try to bring a change through our educational activities, through our vocational skills. Suppose I want to tell you something. If I am not present here, I cannot give my views to you. So if we really want to bring a change or inculcate some values in those underprivileged section, ultimately we have to deal with them. We have to call them. And if I say that I want to inculcate some sanskar in you, they won't come. Through some skills, through some daily based activities, only we can give them sanskar. So we call them for small activities and they come there, and we try to give them values as well, and the social skills also, vocational skills also. Then we have two specialized programs. One is Family Counseling Center, as I have told you. And for Family Counseling Center, Sampurna is known everywhere, not in Delhi, but in other parts of India also. And we do CIC, Crisis Intervention Center. As the name, this Crisis Intervention Center, wherever there is any case of child abuse, wherever there is a case of child rape, it is the duty of the police to inform us. Our counselor go there, they take care of the victim, from every perspective, financial, emotional, medical, everything they look after, and we try to give them feedback services. We try to give them feedback services also. So it is another integrated program. So this way we are doing our model at Sampurna, and I am very happy that you people are listening and aware, and I am sure if you discuss with your students about some programs, because many a times in my house also, if I don't tell my children that things are like that also, they won't understand. My son has also done his 12th from here only, and daughter also. And when he was in 7th class, I still remember that particular example. One day, some teacher said something to him. And when I went to the parents-teacher meeting, she said me कि you have only one son. मैंने कहा नहीं, I have a daughter also. कहती है कि मैंने I did not say anything to him, but he responded so, पता नहीं इसको क्या लगा कि इसको क्या आपके घर आप इसे कुछ कहते नहीं है क्या कभी? तो मैंने कहा yes, it is true, हम उसे कुछ कहते ही नहीं. On that day I realized कि my child तो does not know anything what is happening outside. उसको पता ही नहीं जीना कैसे, वो तो बड़े कोजी उसमें पल रहा है. What will happen outside? जब वो when he will complete his 12th or when he will go to outside, what will he do? And I tell you very frankly, this happens. Still, sometimes I feel that in business also, nowadays he is doing business. All the time I feel he may do something wrong because he does not know how to deal with human beings. बहुत कोजी, बहुत प्यार से, सर्वेंट से भी 4 बार प्यार से, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा, टू Too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. Normal behavior in normal circumstances. What is India? What is our relationship? What is happening within the relationship? What is the behavior with the, with our close relations? When they don't come, when they don't sit with them, how can they learn? So my submission is this, that being our welfare state, our constitution also gives us guarantee and also have provision that we should do something for the society, social contributions to the society. Our religion, you may see in Hinduism or in Muslims or in Christianity, everywhere, if you have something, you must contribute to the society. In Muslim, 10% of the earnings, zakat, you have to give to the society. In Christianity, in constitution itself. So corporate social work, social contributions has a big role to play, and now the time has come, because our small units are not giving their best. So big institutions, those who are coming forward, they can make a difference. And you don't have to run here and there. You have to adopt one particular place, one society, one community, and do the integrated work there. There is always a fight. Whenever I sit with my social work faculty, they always say, first of all, you choose your target. I say, no, I will work as in an integrated manner. Because I have seen that when you do here and there scattered work, it does not bring out any, positive or, noticeable change. So we have to ultimately work with the integrated approach. When we are dealing with a person, when a child, for example, suppose you want to work with a child, small child in a juggi, then it is not possible that you do everything for the child. You are giving him something in cash also, you are giving him clothes. Ultimately, you have to take care of the whole family. Only then we can help the child. It is not necessary, then you have to definitely contribute to we have to talk. We have to make interactions. We should try to understand the real situation within the family, because there is always a difference between the real need and the felt need. Sometimes we feel this is our need, but this is not our need. Our real need is different. So it is the educated mind, aware mind, those who understand what is the real need. It is also a skill to understand. I think with this thought, I end my deliberations for today, because today is a very important day and I have planned from 9 to 5. Sampurna volunteers will sit on उपवास. आज 9 से 5 का उपवास भी है और सबको बता भी रहे हैं और कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं कि उस बच्ची को किसी भी तरीके से स्पिरिचुअली हम सबके ब्लेसिंग से या हम सबकी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना से उसको जीवन मिल जाए, जो कि लगता है कि नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसा ब्रूटल एक्ट हमने अभी तक नहीं देखा है. गैंग रेप इज़ देयर, उसके बाद भी उसके साथ इतनी बहुत कुछ हुआ है, जो कि डॉक्टर्स भी, हमको पता चला है कि डॉक्टर्स भी उसको बताने में वो भी नहीं बता पा रहे हैं कि इतना विभत्स हुआ है उसके साथ जो किया है उन्होंने. तो कितना 2 घंटे तक बस घूमती रही, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, किसी ने नहीं नोटिस किया. सोसाइटी का रोल भी बहुत ख़राब है. 1 घंटे तक वो बस से नीचे रहे, उसमें भी किसी ने उनकी हेल्प नहीं की. थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं जहाँ पे भी निकले, जहाँ पे भी देखे क्यों हो रहा है, सबको चाकू थोड़ी लग जाएंगे. इतना भी डरपोक ऐसे भी होके कैसे काम चलेगा. लोग कहते हैं जी हम तो इसलिए नहीं पढ़ते. अरे करिए तो सही, कहीं से तो शुरुआत कीजिए. और मुझे नहीं लगता, अगर एक बार मैं लेट मी गिव वन मोर इंसिडेंस. मैं बाईपास से आ रही थी. इट वाज ए मैरिजेस के दिन में, आपको पता है बाईपास पे कितना ट्रैफिक जैम होता है. तो देयर वाज वन गाड़ी जिसके अंदर यंगस्टर्स बैठे हुए थे एंड देयर वाज अनदर गाड़ी, वो पीछे टक्कर हो गई. उसमें एक लेडी थी और एक हस्बैंड, उसके हस्बैंड थे, मतलब 2 लोग थे वो. तो वो यंगस्टर जो जैसे ही निकले ना, उन्होंने वो क्या किए कि जैम तो था ही, तो वो उसको एकदम से ऐसे पकड़ा उसके जो हस्बैंड को और उसको एकदम शुरू कर दिया. तो मैं थी और मेरे साथ और भी लोग थे और पीछे भी. मैं सच में बता रही हूँ कि मैं ड्राइवर के साथ थी, मेरे ड्राइवर ने मुझे बहुत मना किया, मैं उतरी और मैंने कहा आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं, मैंने ऐसे इतना बोला और बिलीव मी बस थोड़ा सा ही बोला होगा, 2-4 गाड़ी वाले और आ गए और फिर हमने उन लड़कों को कहा हम अभी 100 नंबर पे तुम्हें कॉल करते हैं और ये करते हैं, मतलब काफ़ी कुछ हुआ। और नहीं तो उस दिन वो उसकी बहुत पिटाई, क्योंकि सब ड्रंक थे सारे यंगस्टर्स, और हमें अपने यंगस्टर्स को संभालने की बहुत ज़रूरत है। आप ये मत सोचिए कि हमें अपने घरों में लगता है कि आवर चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी गुड, दे आर वेरी सेफ, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग आउटसाइड, थोड़ा ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है। नाउ द टाइम हैज़ चेंज। थैंक यू सो मच। प्लीज़। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट इंटरैक्टिंग विद देम अबाउट देयर सिस्टर्स। व्हाट डू दे डू, क्या करती हैं वो, उन्होंने कभी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम बताई है? सबसे पहले उनका ही टची इशू ले लो, उन्होंने कभी रास्ते में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम बताई है? उनसे पूछो, कोई उनको दिक्कत आती है? हाउ डू दे गो, कार से जाती हैं या पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से जाती हैं? बच्चों से ही शुरू करो थोड़ा सा, और थोड़ा सा मतलब उनको लगे कि इट इज देयर प्रॉब्लम आल्सो। समटाइम्स ना जब हम कभी किसी का भी इंटरेस्ट जब नहीं होता, जब उसको ये लगता है इट इज नॉट कनेक्टिंग विद मी, ये मेरे से तो है नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे थोड़ी करता हूँ, मैं तो बड़ा मैनर्स वाला हूँ, या ये ज्यादा ही हमें पाठ पढ़ा रहे हैं, ऐसा भी हो जाता है। तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम देयर ओन, थोड़ा सा बहुत सिंपल से चलिए, सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स जाते हैं, फिर देन यू गो टू दैट प्रॉब्लम। और इसमें व्हाटसोएवर देखिए, महिला के साथ अत्याचार तो हमेशा से रहे हैं, 10% ऑफ एब्रेशंस आर ऑलवेज देयर विद इन द सोसाइटी, लेकिन वी एक्सेप्ट दैट। हम ये मान के चले, आज हम इसलिए डर रहे हैं कि मिडिल क्लास, अपर मिडिल क्लास, जो जिनके पास वैल्यूज थी, जिनकी वजह से सिस्टम इंटैक्ट था, आज वो चोट हो गया है, वो हमारा टूट रहा है। तो मुझे लगता है अगर हम उनसे प्यार से और थोड़ा सा इनिशिएट उनके उससे ही करेंगे तो अगर कोई भी बॉय अपनी बहन के बारे में कुछ बताता है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो किसी और के बारे में सुनेगा या कोई और बात सुनेगा तो वो उस तरीके से रिएक्ट करेगा। और ऐसा नहीं है, यंगस्टर बहुत समझदार भी है आजकल, ऐसा नहीं है। अब क्या है कि जिन लोगों ने ये किया है, दे डोंट हैव एनी कल्चर। एक टर्म होती है सोशियोलॉजी में, सब कल्चर, दे आर लिविंग इन सब कल्चर, बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन झुग्गीज, बट दे सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन एलीट क्लास, इन प्रिविलेज क्लास। वो मीन्स, वो पता है ना, मैस्लो का एक प्रिंसिपल है कि वो मीन्स तो गोल तो वही है, और मीन्स उसके लिए वो शॉर्ट टर्म पे जाना चाहेंगे, ऑब्वियसली देयर इज फ्रस्ट्रेशन। और यहाँ पे तो मुझे यही केस में एक और चीज आई आजकल जो बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है, फन मेकिंग क्राइम्स जस्ट फॉर द फन, विदाउट एनी, आई मीन दिस हैज फेल्ड ऑल द थ्योरीज। अर्लियर वी यूज्ड टू से व्हाई a crime takes place, because of this, because of poverty, because of biological problems, because of this problem. Now without any reason, just to make fun, ये जो फन का चक्कर चला है ना, that is very bad. चलिए,
why do the police encounter those persons? This is a main point. The government in India, the punishment process is very long. And why?
my dear friend, CRPC 1873 और क्राइम आज का कोई मैच है? क्रिमिनल लॉ बना दिया तब और अब का क्राइम, 100% देयर इज a need to change the criminal laws, 100% there is a need. And I say this with heavy heart, nowadays people talk lot of about the human rights, and they are talking the human rights of the kasab, they were talking the human rights of the rapist. So there is a group of people who are always in the televisions, they always talk about something unusual things, and this makes the news. Everybody is saying, we are saying that those who have committed such a heinous crime, they should be punished. They should be punished with capital punishment. But there is a group, you just open any channel, you will see, switch on any channel. They will say no, there should not be capital punishment.
Ram Jethmalani opposed it.
Why?
Shobana Ajmi, she opposed it. I was listening to the discussion.
ये जो एक तरीके का ये जो अनयूजुअल लोगों का जो हिंदुस्तान के ह्यूमैनिटी को नहीं जानते, दे क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर एवरीबॉडी। जो एक अजीब बात करते हैं, थोड़ा सा सिस्टम में तो गड़बड़ है। सिस्टम तो हमारा बहुत इस वक्त खराब चल रहा है। और जब तक एक इसमें एक छोटी सी चीज और बता दूं, वैसे तो क्रिमिनल I mean there is a principle of punishment that we should inflict the punishment greater than the pleasure the accused or the criminal has received from that act. So pain should be more greater than the pleasure. अगर ये नहीं होगा तो वो दोबारा करेगा। And man's behavior is always hedonistic. He all the time wants to enjoy. तो उस पे कब वो लगेगी? जब उस क्राइम के लिए, उस गलत काम के लिए उसका पेन ज्यादा होगा। अब ये इनको कैसे, ये जो ह्यूमन, अब हम बताएं, हम तिहाड़ जेल के में विजिट करते हैं, जैसे आई एम सरप्राइज्ड टू सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन तिहाड़ जेल। वहाँ पे आपके बच्चों को ये नहीं मिलेगा। वहाँ पे ये होगा कि ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन के लोग आएंगे, दे विल सी कि द प्रिजनर इज गेटिंग 2 eggs, मतलब उसकी डाइट, बैलेंस डाइट की ऐसे बात होती है ह्यूमन राइट्स में कि हम लोग समझ नहीं पाते। यू सी आउटसाइड, देखिए वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में या बाकी जगहों पे ह्यूमन राइट्स की बात क्यों होती है? वहां पर हम ये कहते हैं कि बच्चों को आप एक स्लैप भी नहीं कर सकते, यू कैन नॉट स्लैप ए चाइल्ड, बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन दे टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीबॉडी, एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग। ये थोड़ी है दे आर गिविंग एवरी राइट टू द चाइल्ड एंड नॉट टू अदर्स। एंड इन आवर सिचुएशन when we start saying that no, we should give each and every right to the child and not other individuals, what about their parents? Their parents are also getting so many rights. Senior citizens have all the rights. अब ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप बच्चे को तो चांटा नहीं मार सकते और सीनियर सिटीजन को आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो। What is this? So our land, our system is totally different. But we people don't want to change. वही जो अपना अंग्रेजों वाला चला आ रहा है, उस पे से we don't want to move. एक पता नहीं क्या ये हमारा कमी है, लेकिन we always plan to work at 2 levels, micro and macro. Micro level we can initiate any change from within us, and then we can fight for the macro level at the society level. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Words would be less at this point of time, because I sincerely feel that even if I have male children, I'm very insecure at times, because I feel that at this point of time the society has not left anyone. To be very honest, even if they go out to play in the evening, I'm concerned, and every 5 minutes I go to see, are they okay? Just because even in my own house, which is absolutely, there's a park right outside and there's a huge park, but I am insecure. So I mean, as an individual, I feel that it's extremely important, and that's what I try to do with my students also. But I really feel that, I know emotions are running high, but to be very honest, for a lady to go outside by herself is very difficult. And I think more than anyone else, we have to be independent ourselves. I recently heard in the parliament there was, and in the newspaper also, the inverted commas, the comment of Derek O'Brien. He says that what the rapist did was an animal instinct. But probably what I would like to tell him is that even animals take permission. This is not animal instinct. This is human instinct. So probably the next time all of us, I would request each one of you, never say animal instinct, because animals are much better than what humans do today and everywhere. So probably from this, ma'am, thank you so much for speaking about these trivial issues, because these trivial issues actually go and make a huge difference in the society. And I would request all the faculty members here at this point of time that more than teaching what is written in the books, it's extremely important to tell them how to live a good life, because books would come to them naturally to earn a living. But what do you do out of that living is what actually would make the society a better place to live in. Thank you so much, madam.
होता है इंफॉर्मेशन, क्या होता है, बोलो टेक्नोलॉजी के 2 पार्ट